Tell us your name and where you're from.
John Bowie from Skopit.
And what does your business do in one sentence?
Metal manufacturing.
And who do you service?
The mining, refinery and local big industries around North Queensland.
What problem are you solving within those industries?
I'm getting rid of hot works, so full bolt-up solutions of beam clamps and penetrations through grid mesh.
How big of a problem is it that you're solving?
Quite a big problem. Safety is paramount in the industry.
How big is the market that you're selling into?
Worldwide, but Australia at the moment, but I have had interest in Singapore.
And how do you make money?
Selling into the industry.
What do you need to get to the next level?
More customers.
What's the first point of contact for someone that wants to engage and buy from you?
Go to our website, www.skopit.com.au, and find my email, and my phone number will be there.
And what drives you and this business?
Improving our products on a daily basis and getting it out there to market.
Do you think Townsville's a great place to grow a business?
Oh, definitely.